Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. I'm pretty sure most of you have already heard about the new trend, which is turning images into the Studio Ghibli style. Well, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to do just that. There are multiple ways to do it, but I will show you the most easy and fastest way. First of all, just navigate to ChatGPT and then log in with your account. Now you can do this one for free using the free ChatGPT access, or you can do it through your ChatGPT Plus subscription, which will take less wait time. After you do just that, you will be redirected to this interface. I'm pretty sure every one of you is already familiar with the ChatGPT interface. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as that will help us a lot. Thank you. Then just click on the plus icon here, select upload from computer, or if you have your images hosted on Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, you can do that. For my case, it's hosted on my computer, so I will click the upload from computer button. I will be choosing our channel's mascot image, and then in the prompt just say turn this image into the Studio Ghibli style. And then hit enter and wait for it. Currently this can take a bit of time since everyone and their mother is using this trend, but we will have to wait. If this doesn't work, you can always retry again. Keep in mind that using the free version of ChatGPT, you will only have access to one image per day. And after a while of generating, just like that, you will get your image turned into the Studio Ghibli style. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.